Hi guys, in today's video, we are going to cover a very common and important topic that will be super helpful for Excel users. Sometimes we forget to add new rows or information in our data, or we may need extra rows. So today we will learn how to insert one or multiple rows in Excel. And yes, we will also look at some shortcuts to make this process even more faster. Make sure to watch the video till the end because this little trick will make your work much easier. Let's get started. First, let's see how to insert a blank row. On the left side of your Excel sheet, you will see numbers. To select a row, simply click on the row number and the entire row will be highlighted. Now, right click with your mouse and in the pop-up menu, click on Insert. That's it. You have successfully inserted a blank row. Now, what if you need to add more than one row? Select the number of rows you want to insert. Then repeat the same process. Right click and click on Insert. For example, if you need 4 rows, select 4 rows and insert them. See, your 4 new rows are easily added. Now, let's talk about some shortcuts key to make the process even faster. Select a row and press Ctrl plus Shift plus plus on your keyboard. This shortcut will help you insert as many rows you need in no time. Just imagine how efficiently you can use this process to organize your sheet. You can easily add new employees' name and their sales data without any hassle. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. We will keep bringing more interesting and helpful Excel tips for you. Thanks for the watching.